Welcome back to AutoView Pro, the channel where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of the road. Today we're talking about something special for all the RV lovers and long-distance adventurers out there. This is the all-new 2026 Great Plains Voyager motorhome, a next-generation machine designed to take the concept of travel, comfort, and technology to an entirely new level. If you've ever dreamed of exploring wide-open highways with all the luxuries of home, you'll want to stick around for this one. The Voyager name has always been associated with durability and practicality, but the 2026 model pushes beyond those roots to create a motorhome that feels as futuristic as it does familiar. At first glance, the exterior immediately commands attention. The designers have given it a sleek aerodynamic silhouette that almost makes you forget you're looking at a massive Class A motorhome. Smooth, sculpted lines, a bold front fascia with a wide LED light bar, and flush-mounted windows give it a streamlined look that's both modern and functional. Great Plains says the new shape isn't just for show, it improves efficiency on long drives, cutting down wind resistance and boosting range, which is especially important given the hybrid powertrain under the hood. Yes, the 2026 Voyager is powered by a plug-in hybrid diesel-electric system. This combination offers the torque and reliability of a traditional diesel but pairs it with an electric motor for quieter, cleaner operation when cruising through towns or campsites. The 80-mile pure electric range may not sound like much, but it's designed for short hops around campgrounds, national parks, or urban areas where emissions restrictions are becoming tighter. For long hauls, the diesel engine kicks in, offering a total driving range of nearly 700 miles. That's more than enough to cross entire states before needing to refuel. Pair that with regenerative braking and solar panels built right into the roof, and you've got a motorhome that feels ready for the future. Now let's step inside, and this is where the Voyager truly separates itself from the competition. The cabin is designed with what Great Plains calls a modern lodge theme. Natural wood finishes, soft LED ambient lighting, and leather seating create a space that feels more like a boutique hotel than an RV. One of the standout features is the panoramic windshield and massive side windows, which flood the living area with natural light and give passengers incredible views of whatever landscape they're exploring. At night, privacy glass and motorized blinds ensure comfort without sacrificing style. The floor plan is flexible, offering slide-outs that expand the living space at the touch of a button. In its extended mode, the living area opens up to include a full sectional sofa, a 55-inch smart TV with surround sound, and a modular dining area that can convert into a workspace. For those who want to work remotely, the Voyager comes pre-equipped with a satellite internet system and 5G connectivity, ensuring that you can stay connected even when camped out in the middle of nowhere. Moving to the kitchen, Great Plains has equipped the Voyager with the full residential-style setup. There's a convection oven, induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Counter space is generous, with hidden pull-out extensions for extra prep area. Storage is another highlight. Hidden compartments, deep drawers, and smart shelving make it possible to carry weeks' worth of supplies without feeling cluttered. The bedroom area feels more like a master suite than a sleeping space. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, built-in reading lamps, and dual nightstands anchor the space. Overhead skylights open at the push of a button to let in fresh air, while climate control keeps the temperature exactly where you want it. The rear bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, dual vanities, heated floors, and more storage than you'd expect in a vehicle like this. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Voyager. A central 15-inch touchscreen controls everything from lighting and temperature to water levels and generator output. Voice control is also standard, so you can adjust your environment without lifting a finger. The system integrates with your smartphone, letting you monitor and manage the motorhome remotely. Imagine checking your battery levels or turning on the AC before you even step inside. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Voyager includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a full 360-degree camera system, and automated parking for both pull-through and back-in campsites. Storage and utility are also top-tier. The exterior compartments are climate-controlled, which means your gear, tools, and even delicate items like musical instruments or sports equipment stay protected no matter where you travel. There's also an integrated outdoor kitchen with a grill, sink, and fold-out prep station for those perfect evenings under the stars. Add in an optional awning with LED lighting and built-in speakers, and you've got yourself the ultimate mobile patio setup. Now, let's talk about price, because a machine like this doesn't come cheap. The starting MSRP for the 2026 Great Plains Voyager is around $380,000, but fully loaded with all the tech and luxury packages, you're looking closer to $450,000. It's definitely an investment, but for those who live the RV lifestyle or plan to take extended road trips across North America, it offers a combination of freedom, technology, and comfort that's hard to match. The Voyager isn't just about moving from one place to another, it's about rethinking what travel means. It's for families who want to take their kids on cross-country adventures without sacrificing comfort, for retirees looking to downsize but still live luxuriously on the road, and for digital nomads who want their home and office to travel with them. With sustainability, luxury, and technology all blended into one impressive package, the 2026 Great Plains Voyager feels like the future of motorhomes has finally arrived. So, what do you think of the 2026 Voyager? Is this the kind of motorhome you'd take across the country, or is it more luxury than you'd need? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this look at the latest in RV innovation. Subscribe to AutoView Pro for more deep dives into the vehicles shaping the future of travel. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.